Ahoy! Ulanzi mystery box. Not one, but two. This one goes away for now. I know I'm supposed to only open this one. I'm not being paid by Ulanzi. They did provide the boxes though. What's inside? I know it has to do something with photography and video, most likely something to do with smartphone photography and video. It's heavy. It's not gonna be just one thing. Should I? Actually, not so fast. What is this all about? What's going on? All these companies are having these challenges and giveaways and contests. It's not even Christmas yet. What is going on? Well, Ulanzi is quite known company when it comes to budget accessories for smartphones, cameras, etc. for photography and video. I really can't wait what's inside of the box. And they simply want to thank everyone who supported them. So they launched this massive monthly giveaway. And the last month's prize was, for example, this mystery box. Every month they have different prizes. Every month they are doing 2 draws. And this time 15 lucky people will be selected, as you can see here on their webpage. I will link the giveaway below the video in the video description. You can sign up for that giveaway. There are a few ways of doing it. Quite simple process. I'll link it below. I seriously want to see what's inside. Whoa, there is a lot of stuff. There is a lot of stuff. What's this? T-shirt? Am I supposed to wear this? Oh, I always wanted to do that trick. Let's try. Okay, nice Ulanzi at the front. Okay, let's see what's inside of the box. I can't wait anymore. I gotta open it up. So let me pull out the first thing, and the first item, ooh, big item. LED video light. So before I show all the other stuff, I think we should also unbox it, and I should be showing you what's actually in the packages. So let's go and let's open this up. There are never enough of LED lights in the studio, definitely. We always need them. Let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, very nice packaging. And here is the light. We have a whole bunch of accessories, mount, we have honey grip, and we have also softbox, and we have charging cable. And here is the light itself. Very sleek design, really nicely looking. I show it from the other side. I'm not sure if it is charged already. Yep, it is. And we got 2 fireworks. Woohoo! Pretty strong light. We'll test them in the future videos and see how they perform, and I'll come back probably to those items again and do a proper opinion, what I think about them. But let's move on to item number 2 right now. And the item number 2 would be... Let's see what that is. And that would be U100 Claw Quick Release Ball Head. There you go, here's the package. Let's see and open it up. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh, wow, that was quite tough. So this would be what's inside of the box. And let me take it out. It feels very heavy duty right away. As soon as I touch it, it's heavy, it's got weight to it. So it should be fairly sturdy, but again, the time will tell. Let's look at the next item. So let's pull out the box again, and that would be, what is this one? Oh, that looks like this could be another light. And I'm right, it's VL49 RGB mini LED video light. This is how the box looks like. So let me go ahead and open it up again. Tiny little lights. I had a very tiny little cube light I bought, extremely cheap light, not from Ulanzi, and sadly it stopped working after, I'd say, 3 months. So that was not a very good purchase. It was a little bit smaller than this one, but this one is also very small, which I can really appreciate. We have a charger here. And as it looks like, it can be quite colorful. This is the back. And this is the front. So let's go ahead and turn it on if it is already working, and it is charged. It is working fairly strong as it seems. This looks quite nice. Again, we will have to test everything out. We'll be using it in the next few videos, and I'll let you know what I think really about these products. Right now we are just doing the first look and unboxing of the Ulanzi mystery box. I'm not familiar with those products. I have to use them for a little bit to be able to say more about them. Let's move on to box. Again, yeah, there's definitely more stuff inside. So what do we have here? Okay, this is an item for a smartphone. Ulanzi ST27 Ironman 4 phone clip. Oh, phone clips. We need phone clips. Absolutely. Looks very sleek right off the box, and looking at it, actually, let me pull it out. I do have this very, very cheap attachment for a smartphone clamp. Ooh, that looks good. This is not cheap at all. It's actually very sturdy. It's not plastic at all. Looks quite nice. The red button locks actually the opening clamp from what I see. Yes, right, it's locked. I can't open it up. That's good, so you accidentally don't drop the phone. So this is how you open it, and this black wheel is how you turn this around. Let's continue some more with the box. There's definitely still more. There are more things here. Next one would be, oh yeah, the anamorphic lens. I have been showing already this anamorphic lens on this channel before. So let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh-ha. Beautiful little case. And let's see, everything is here, whatever you need. The anamorphic lens itself, and you don't need to use a dedicated phone case with this one. You can actually just clamp it to your phone. So let me show you the package again. And let's look at the anamorphic lens. Beauty. And let's look at some footage with this lens. Again, the clamps are right here. This is clip-on, and this one is basically, you can just screw it on your phone. So there's two options to do that. You don't need to have a dedicated smartphone case. Let's look one more time what's inside the box. There's just so many items here. One little tiny box. Now I'm very curious what it is all about. It is Ulanzi PT12 triple cold shoes. And we have this little tiny packaging. This looks also very interesting. Again, nothing plasticky, nothing really cheap. Everything looks very solid. Let's go back to this box again. There's two more items here. One is MT43 metal foldable tripod. This looks very nice. Actually a small tripod. Let's see how big it is. This is the box. When it comes to tripods, you always need big tripod and small tripod. I do have a few of those as well. I don't have a small one like that though, so I'm very interested to see. Let me actually show you how it looks like in the box. It's quite heavy. It's quite sturdy. Again, not a plastic one. That looks very solid. Quite interesting that the legs are not locking up unless I'm missing something. And here, We have the ball hat. This is quite interesting. I've never seen anything like this. Very small, tiny tripod. I would use it with a smartphone or just on a table. When you're in the office and you need to record yourself, there's usually not enough of little tiny tripods which you can place in front of you on a table. So very cool little item. One more time, going back to the box. And last item here is, now I can put that big box away finally. What do we have here? DJI Osmo Pocket 1-2 phone clip. And this is the box. Now the funny part is that I actually don't have DJI Pockets. Is Ulanzi telling me something that I should try to get the DJI Osmo Pocket? Would you like me to film with that on this channel? Because I don't have one. Little clamp. Now, I don't have the DJI Osmo Pocket, so I don't know how it would work, but I can certainly see the clamp you can attach to your phone. So this is how the final product looks like. There you have it, all these accessories which were included in the Ulanzi mystery box. I'm curious about a lot of these items, to be honest, and I'm definitely gonna be using them in next few videos coming up, and I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts about these items as I'm using them, how I like them, and so on. But now we should look at the other mystery box. What should we do with this box? Well, the truth is, I asked Ulanzi that if they're sending me a mystery box, it would be only fair to send one more so I can give it to you as well. So this one is actually a giveaway. I have no idea what's inside of the box. I don't know. But to win this mystery box with a whole bunch of accessories from Ulanzi, all you have to do is obviously subscribe to this channel. You don't need to be subscribed to this channel. Like this video and comment below this video which item you saw today you liked and thought would be useful in your kit. So again, let me review all these items. We have this RGB LED light, we have the mini tripod, we have another LED light, small one, DJI Osmo clip for the smartphone, we have here ball hat, phone clamp, anamorphic lens, and this little hat shoe. So, which item did you like and thought that would be useful in your kit? If you write that in the comment section below within next 24 hours, you qualify to win this mystery box. Deadline is tomorrow on Tuesday, and the winner will be announced on Friday, September 24th. Below the video in a comment section, the comment will be pinned to the top, and I think we all know what the video will be all about. Yes, it will be a review of DJI OM5. It arrived, it's here, I'm working on it, the video is coming up on Friday. Thank you very much Ulanzi for all these items one more time. Best of luck to you in this giveaway, and I'll see you on Friday. Ciao, ahoy.